Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today, we're going to explore the basics of drawing and guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So, grab your pencils, paper, and let's dive in. Step 1. Start with basic shapes. Let's begin by drawing simple shapes such as circles, squares, or triangles. These will serve as the foundation for more complex objects. Take your time and sketch lightly, focusing on getting the proportions and overall shape right. Step 2. Observe and analyze. Before diving into the details, carefully observe your subject. Pay attention to its proportions, angles, and relationships between different parts. Break it down into smaller components and try to understand their arrangement. Step 3. Sketch lightly and use guidelines. Use light, loose sketches to establish the basic structure of your drawing. Consider using simple lines or shapes as guidelines to help you with proportions and placement. Step 4. Add details gradually. Now that you have the basic structure, start adding details. Focus on one area at a time, refining the shapes, contours, and textures. Take your time and remember that practice makes perfect. Step 5. Practice shading. Shading adds depth and dimension to your drawings. Observe how light falls on your subject and practice rendering different values to create form and volume. Experiment with different shading techniques to achieve the desired effect. Step 6. Study from life. Drawing from real-life subjects helps you develop your observation skills. Practice drawing everyday objects, people, or nature. Pay attention to the details, proportions, and unique characteristics of your subject. Step 7. Learn from references. References, such as photographs or images, can be helpful for studying complex subjects or understanding specific details. However, remember to use references as a tool for learning, not as a means to copy. Aim to develop your own style and interpretation. Step 8. Experiment with different techniques. Drawing offers a wide range of techniques to explore. Cross-hatching, stippling, or blending can add texture and depth to your drawings. Don't be afraid to try different techniques and find what works best for you. Step 9. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to improving your drawing skills. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice. The more you draw, the more your skills will grow. Step 10. Enjoy the process and be patient. Drawing is a journey of learning and self-expression. Embrace your creativity, be patient with yourself, and have fun along the way. Remember, each drawing is an opportunity to improve and develop your artistic skills. That wraps up our drawing tutorial. We hope these steps have given you a solid foundation to start or continue your drawing journey. Remember, practice, observation, and patience are key. Feel free to rewind and revisit any steps as needed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more art-related content. Keep drawing, and let your imagination come to life on paper. Thanks for watching.